Okay, so now you use the programming language to write the code. As mentioned, website development, backend, front end, mobile, desktop, whatever you mean, right? So now you need an interface to write the code. In this case, we're going to use the Visual Studio Code. And happily, this has been also based on the JavaScript. Number one, the IDE in the world today, very popular, is VS Code, which is called the Visual Studio Code, is being developed by Microsoft and has been used JavaScript to develop this. It's called the Electron JS, right? To develop the desktop application. So it is one of the most popular IDE, integrated development environment, means the write the code, edit the code, debug the code. So we are going to use for today's session, and you can download it. As mentioned, this slide will be shared with your course, so you'll get it without any problem. You'll download it, install it, you'll be good to go. Good. So it is fast. It has a lot of like the extension. Go back. It is easy to debugging and version control with the Git integration, because many plugins is there. So it is the developer one of the best choice. Okay. And then of course the key features is the syntax highlighting, code snippet, built-in terminal, and real-time collaboration. So VS Code is going to be used for today's session. Can you go next?